This tool right here is real reasonable. You can find this tool at Harbor Freight, and it's real cheap. Sometimes they even give it to you if you buy something else. It'll be like a free gift. But most of the time when you buy it at $5 or $6, and you can't beat it for having it in your house to check out all your batteries. Everybody needs it. You can get this and study out all your different things that you can do with it. Checking your electricity on your house. You can check out motors. You can check out all kinds of stuff with this. You got all kinds of settings. So get familiar with your tool and always have one of these. If you think you might have something happen to the one you got, get you another one, because it don't cost much, and it'll really help you a lot with all your little stuff that uses batteries and all that type of stuff. So the heads up on this, folks. This is a good tool for everybody to have, the ladies and the men. Thank y'all for watching my videos. Have an awesome day.
More information.
Tool is setting, as you can tell, at 20 volts, DC volts. Okay, that right there, you can check out all this type of batteries right here with it. This one right here is especially on your fire alarm, and of course your other little batteries. To fit your other small appliances throughout your house. You need this here too to check these. Even this little small one here, it works. Smaller one works in your watches and all kinds of small appliances. But you need all of this to tell you if your battery's any good. The way you can tell is get you a new battery and check it and see what it reads up here. Whatever the reading is on a new battery, well, that's what you want to go by. And then you check out your other ones, and if they read about half that or something, then you know the battery ain't no good. So everybody needs this tool to take all of the guesswork out of why your appliance is not working like it's supposed to. And especially on a fire alarm, you want to make sure these is up to date all the time. You can check them every month or two to see what kind of power it still has in it for it to perform like it should.
If you like my videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.